Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to add multiple email accounts on your iPhone or iPad. Whether you're managing work and personal emails, or just have several accounts, it's easy to keep everything in one place. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Mail, then choose Accounts Add Account. You'll see a list of common email providers like iCloud, Google, Outlook, Yahoo, and more. Select your provider, enter your email and password, and follow the prompts. Your email will sync automatically, and you can also choose to sync contacts, calendars, or notes. If your provider isn't listed, tap Other Add Mail Account. Enter your name, email, password, and a description. Then choose between IMAP and POP. IMAP is best for syncing across devices, while POP stores messages only on your iPhone or iPad. Next, enter your provider's incoming and outgoing mail server info. You can usually find this on your provider's website. Enter your full email address as the username and the password. Tap Next, then choose the features you want to sync and tap Save. Now open the Mail app. You'll see all your added accounts under Mailboxes. You can add more accounts by repeating these steps. That's it. You're now ready to manage multiple email accounts right from your iPhone or iPad. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.